In this video, we will learn how we can use PHP from a command line. So let's open a command prompt. Right now, I am in user spready sites directory. I will go to chapter 1 directory and I will list out what are the contents of this directory. I will create one more file with name 4.commandline.php. Inside this file, I will write simple echo hello using command line. I'll save it. Now I will try to find out where is my PHP installed. So my PHP is installed in user bin PHP. So to execute command line PHP, user bin PHP space 4.commandline.php, and I will press enter. So it says hello using command line. So let's edit our file commandline.php and print a new line correct. And again run this. So we do have a new line now, command line. So this is how we run PHP.